Won't you make up your mind? 'Cause I'm getting tired of overthinking every move you make.
Welcome back, guys. I'm here with Geeta Hair or Geeta Hair, which I hope one of those pronunciations are correct. It's my second time getting a wig from this company, and I'm just excited to get into it. So when I open the bag, the first thing I see is this elastic band branded Geeta Hair, and then I see the wig, which we'll get into a few, and then I also got this pair of wig caps, and that is and I got an adjustable strap inside the package, and that's everything that came in the bag. So for today's wig, right, we got this gorgeous highlighted Bodywave here. This is, I'm going to be sure to put the length and the density of this wig in the description box as usual, so please check that out for the specifications. But this is how this looks. It's a 13x4 lace front. 13x4 lace front, and it is like a light brown lace, so please, you can go ahead and customize this further to your liking. Like, you could go in and bleach it and tint it, all that good stuff. You could pluck it more. It's lightly plucked already, but if you want like a deeper graduation, you could definitely go in and pluck that further. Listen, it has a little weight to it, but it's not like super heavy, so you know, it's like super full. The hair is very luscious, very soft. That curl, that body wave curl pattern or wave pattern looks super nice, so soft and bouncy. Love that. It's definitely giving. So it's not that much flyaways, it's very minimal, and it's full to the tip of the hair. The inside of the cap looks pretty standard. It's a total of 4 combs on the inside, you know, for your security, and they have the parts here we can add the extra adjustable strap if you need more security. And there's also an adjustable strap in the back, so that is really, you know, nicely put together. So now that I've showed you guys the wig and the package, let me go ahead and get into installing this. I'm going to be using my Fix-It spray to lay this wig today. Just cutting out some of the excesses. And you can see that this is way past my ear portion, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the excess as usual. You guys know the drill.
Won't you make up your mind? 'Cause I'm getting tired of overthinking every move you make.
And that looks good. So I'm gonna speed through this portion and just, you know, dry this down with my blow dryer on cool air.
And I can help you decide who you're loving now, and how I'm not quite there somehow. My intuition says to give you up, but my heart can't easily let you go. I try to tell myself this isn't love, but I hate that I never really know if I should stay or be alone.
There is a little bit of a cast going on, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Ebony Tinted Lace spray, and I'm gonna just like spray it lightly along the ear. I don't want to be too heavy-handed. What I'm gonna do, you guys know the vibes. I'm gonna do my little swoops, but lightly. So yeah, today I'm gonna go light with the swoops, and I want to do a side part because I've been doing a lot of center parts lately. So I'm gonna do a nice side part. I get my Eco Gel to lay these edges down. So now that I'm done with the edges, I'm gonna just melt it down further. This way everything can seep in more. I'll go ahead and get started on my parting. And the hair so far feels good. It's very minimal shedding. So that's good. I'm pleased with that. So I don't have that much of a deep parting space, but I'm gonna go ahead and try my best to make it work. Like, it's really shallow on the sides, so you know, there are cases where you know you will still want a side part in this case where you don't have that much parting space, you know, so we're gonna still finesse that wax stick.
I'm just waiting for the fire, but you won't even try to survive. You would rather keep it all inside, and I can help you decide who you're loving now, and how I'm not quite there somehow.
So just to make my parting on the side here look more precise, because you can't really see what's going on here, right? You really can't. I'm just gonna go ahead, get my, you know, I'm gonna get a little bit of foundation so it matches my skin tone better, and just use my comb here. So this way now you can see a little bit better what's going on with the parting here. So, you know, I don't mind. So, you know, I have to slant it. You want to give it a little bit of, you know, character. You know, just want, like, put it straight. So, get a little character. I'm just going to go ahead, run through the hair. But before I do that, this is how it's looking. Once I comb it out, it's very full, very voluminous. Like, the waves are there. Like, they feel so good. I am getting minimal shedding. It was a little less, but the color job and everything looks really good. The hair is really full. It's, you know, a standard feel to it, so that's not bad. But yeah, I want to, you know, run through it with my curling iron, get everything more defined and really nice, because this is actually really like a nice wig. So yeah, I'm just gonna take my time and run through this with my curling iron.
My intuition says to give you up, but my heart can't easily let you go. I try to tell myself this isn't love, but I hate that I never really know if I should stay or be alone. If I should stay or be alone. If I should stay or be alone. I don't wanna be alone tonight. I'm just hoping that you'll be just right. And I hate that I'll never really know if I should stay or be alone.
This is it. It looks so good, turned out so good. Effortless curl. So you saw what I mean? Like, get it more defined. It was a little bit like, you know, too out of place a while ago, so I had to refresh those waves, make everything look, you know, just together, more put together. So yeah, this is it. This is it. I'm gonna be sure you see how nicely the spray just helped the lace to melt down and look like, you know, less casty. Yeah, so I love that. I love that. Let me know what you guys think. The color job is really pretty, really pretty. It's like more highlights at the top, and as it gets to the end, it's like darker, so that's real nice. The movement of the hair is nice, it's full, it's minimal shedding, a little bit more than I would like. So that's the only thing. But everything else feels good. The construction of the wig is a nice and standard vibe. So Geeta, they did their thing with constructing it. You know, it's really nice. Wasn't a lot of hassle apart from just going in and having to like tint the lace. So you could go ahead to do a more permanent kind of tinting. You could go in and literally bleach it and tint it, you know, to suit your, you know, to customize to your liking and stuff. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. I hope that you found this informative, and I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, as well as the specifications. So please go ahead and check it out. Shout out to them once more for this bomb wig today. It's real pretty. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.